I'm in a Ford Kuga at the minute and the oil change required warning is on in the dash. I'm going to show you in this video how you reset that now. Okay, so you come down here to the push button start, switch it off, then come up here, you flick it on, press and hold the accelerator and brake at the same time. The service oil reset in progress comes on. You keep that held down. Once it has reset, you'll come up with the indicator saying that it has been reset. You keep it down for about 20-25 seconds. And the reset is now complete. We'll flick the ignition off. So we then just recheck that that's been done. Flick the ignition on. And as you can see, the warning has now been reset. I hope you found this video useful, guys. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.